back to a new vlog. It is now New Year. I think it is New Year's. This is the first time that I'm uploading in 2021. So happy New Year to you guys. You definitely probably will see some footage from this past weekend, but I'm just going to start the vlog off by saying thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Make sure you are following me on Instagram as well so you guys can keep up with me in the meantime. I love you guys. Like, I really love uploading videos on YouTube, and I just can't wait to expand this year. I have so much in store. So yeah, I just wanted to start the video off by saying that. It is 12:30. Well, it's almost 12:30. You can't buy alcohol or like wine, champagne, anything like that in the state of Georgia until 12:30. So I'm waiting. I have like 4 minutes before I can go in the store and purchase champagne. I am bringing some champagne to one of my friends. Is having a late Christmas vision board brunch vibe. You guys will see in the next few clips what we did. It's gonna be super fun. I haven't seen them in months, so yeah, this should be fun. It is Sunday, so it's the week after Christmas, or no, it's a few days after Christmas, excuse me. And yeah, so we're just catching up before the new year. I just wanted to come at you guys and let you know what was going on. I do have on Christmas, well, kind of like festive pajamas. My pants are just like checkered. I have on Christmas socks, and I just have on like a black pajama shirt. Nothing too much. Look at my Christmas gift, you guys. Let me see if you can see. Hold on, hold on. Look at this, y'all. This is what I got for Christmas. I love it, you guys. I haven't taken it off since I got it. It is my birthstone. And he didn't even know that. He just actually just like it just happened. So my birthstone is aquamarine, so I'm a March baby. So if you didn't know, Tiffany blue is my
My handwriting is crappy. I just want my picture. I mean, from mine out. But the posters would be cute on here. What posters?
You want something for you and your family to call home. I'm sensitive. You set a goal for yourself that is not going as planned at this moment.
I'm gonna cry too, Clay.
It's okay.
But I know prayer works.
I have fulfilled my purpose with my relationship and with my friendships, and I have forgive and been forgiven.
The first one is your own sanctuary. The second one is $100,000 salary, and the third one is 148 pounds specifically.
Okay. Now I got it back.
Oh wow,
That was so sweet.
that's
Yeah,
cute.
it's cute.
Oh, I can't really. You see, searching for somebody. This is copyright. Hey y'all, it's New Year's Eve. I'm in the car with my mom, and we are about to go get our nails done. We just left the gym. This week was really good. I did 4 days. 4 days. One day was 2 sessions. So really proud of myself for week 1. But yeah, so we're about to go get our nails done. They look so bad. You guys know I don't even have my nails on. I took mine off like maybe like what, a week ago, 2 weeks ago. I haven't had my nails really done since I got back from Tulum. So I'm excited to get my nails and feet done today. But yeah, today should be a lit vlog because
It's New Year's Eve.
it's New Year's Eve, and I'm getting a hotel downtown, and we're gonna decorate, have champagne, and then we're gonna go out tonight. So
You and your friend.
yeah, me and my friend, And it's also my best friend's birthday weekend, so this weekend should be fun.
Now knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly, running low. Take me.
Food just got here. Ooh, this looks just like kebab land.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we're about to eat our lunch. Got to the hotel. Don't mind me right now, but we're about to take shots.
I gotta go back to my foundation.
Ooh. Weekend starts now. So, it's our hotel room for the night. We're at the Aloft tonight. We just moved all of our stuff in, y'all. But
Oh, look at the tunes going.
we are on the 10th floor. There's not much of a view, but yeah.
Get situated. We haven't been in a hotel since Miami.
Right. Who would think we would have been in a hotel room again? Hey y'all, happy new year. So today we are back with another vlog. I'm Miana Symone. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you guys for new subscribers, for people that have been supporting me. To lotion my hands really quick. I just got to, so first and foremost, today is my best friend's birthday. It is January 3rd, so we are celebrating her life today. She's 27. Happy birthday, Maureen. So I'm picking up her birthday gift. I got her a facial at Massage MB, so she can use that and spoil herself sometime soon. Yeah, so I'm about to run in here and get it. I was gonna pick up balloons, but I'm not sure. One, she's not driving, so I made sure I found that out this morning. Two, I mean, we could keep the balloons in my car, but I didn't know if this restaurant would allow us. You know, it's just it's real funny about balloons at restaurants. So yeah, I'm about to run in here really quick, pick up this gift card. I called ahead, it's already paid for, I just have to come get it. So it shouldn't take me too long. I just run in here. So give me 1 second and I'll be right back. Okay, so we got the gift card. Let me check. I feel like my tire is like, I don't know, let me see. Thought I heard something. Okay, no. I should have brought a jacket because it's a little cold today. It's chilly actually. Okay, let go. You guys, so I said today, I am literally superwoman. Like, I'm ripping and running. I have so many balloons in the back of my car I can't even see. One popped, but luckily I bought 12 latex, so it's okay. I did get the number 27 because she just turned 27, so happy birthday, best friend. You know I love you, period, so I'll do whatever. Ooh, it's about to be an accident, y'all. This person is literally trying to run a light. Like, what? You guys, so this restaurant right there, it's called Luca, had a shooting outside yesterday. Like, 3 people got like hurt. So everybody's just like, oh my gosh, Buckhead. But I did find street parking. John got the balloons out of my car. So we're heading in right now as we speak. But yeah, this is Buckhead. Remember I went to Botanical, was over there. I've actually been to this restaurant before, but I didn't vlog when I came. So yeah, it's called Lily White. Cheers! Happy birthday! Hey, Symone!
Point that birthday girl out in the
You think this would be cute right here?
Yeah, so I'm dressed and ready now. I just got to breakfast in Barney's. It's a place here in Atlanta. It's a brunch spot. It's always super busy. It's my first time here. I didn't know that it was literally right down the street from, I've been in this area 1,000 times, but I'm trying to valet park and I'm waiting for someone to come get my car. If not, I'm just about to park myself because... What'd you get, champagne?
Yeah.
I said hi. Oh. Y'all, so Terry's getting on my nerves already. But I got mimosa. What? You said I'm sipping juice? I'm trying to get all the festivities. Yes, I remember. It was Avion. It was Avion that we were
No, them niggas about down Julio.
Oh, yeah.
And that shit tastes so good. He's like, what?
Get our car so we can leave.
It's so good right here. You have to get the leader. Cause you're beautiful.
I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Yeah, Amazon.
Thank God. It's so cold out. Like my hands.
And look at me.
I had this one, but my other jacket.
Look at me, I know. Y'all, beauty's pain, Naya. Beauty is pain. You should know.
When I was like, wait a minute.
Are you hungry? Okay. You said you were starving. Y'all, we just got to a little alley. Ugh. Hold on. Okay. Oh, this view is everything. I'm with the best person to come out with because who else? Who else would want to do this with me? It's me. We're at alley. Hey. Look, this looks so good.
They get super fast. They look amazing.
They really do. So we got a raspberry lemon drop. I got no sugar on mine, and then Naya got sugar on hers, of course.
Period.
Because she's a princess.
And Miana knew.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Miana Symone. Thank you for clicking on this video. So, oh, excuse me. So, I just got in my car. And we are headed to Gocha Breakfast Bar. I think that's how you say it. It's raining here, so that sucks. But my camera's fully charged today. I'm just gonna do my lips really quick. If you didn't know, I have a whole list full of places in Atlanta that I want to try, and other cities as well. And this is one. We might do something after, I'm not sure. I'm wearing, I haven't worn this in a while, Anastasia Beverly Hills in Stripped. And then I just have a NYX pencil and suede. This is cold brew. It's kind of comparable to MAC's chestnut. I have on all black, y'all know the vibe. So my shoes are Public Desire. There's some, the sock booty heels, and I'll show you guys an outfit today once I get there. My leggings are from H&M. My throw-ish, it's not cold today, it's 50 degrees, so I just have on like a throw. It's really long, super cute. It's from Boohoo, and this is from H&M as well. Just a regular turtleneck top. So yeah, carry my auto bag. Yeah, so let's go ahead and go because I need to go ahead and head there. So I'll see you guys in a few. Guys, so I just got to Gocha's breakfast bar. Waiting on my friend Taria. You guys have seen her in the vlogs. So when she gets here, we'll go ahead and walk in. It's actually not too far from one of my favorite places, which I'm gonna see if she wants to go to since we're right over here. It's down the street. It's called Baltimore Seafood and Crab. Super good. I love seafood, so y'all already know. I might eat light here, and then maybe we can go get a drink, a cocktail, and maybe she might want to try that as well. So we'll see. Yeah. But like I said, today's a little gloomy. It's raining. So yeah, Monday fun day. We have on the same shoes, like always. Yeah, so we just got here. You made a reservation? Okay, so we just got here. I just put up the menu on my phone. I can't record it here because it's copyright, but here's a look at the menu a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna just look it over and decide what I want. Super cute in here though. Fritos, shrimp and grits. And I got a salad and salmon with eggs.
He said no, I'm off. Where you working at today?
He said he off. Oh,
no,
today.
He has another job.
Oh, that is one man who gets some jobs, I tell you.
Okay, you got a baby on the way. You should.
Another one? At the Cheesecake Factory, we couldn't go to the other bar because, yeah.
Hey, I'm here. You here?
Yes, I'm getting out. Hey y'all, so we are at the Sugar Factory. It is one of my favorite restaurants, but y'all, it is copyright, so I'm gonna have to hurry up. So we got a sangria. It only has, what, how many calories? I think 120. 120, so that's not bad. But yeah, so we're just here. It's raining outside, so yeah, that's about it. And then I got edamame. Hey guys, quickly, I just got edamame. You know the vibe. You know the vibes, okay? And she's bringing me some soy sauce on the side. But yeah. Okay, copyright, but we're at the boiler. So get happy about a martini, okay? Here. Alright, gotta go.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep.
Let's try it. It's good. Hi, Selena got her own suite, y'all. It's so cute. Oh, you got your little, oh, I'm so happy for her. Some bundles. Cute. I love it. Hey, happy Sunday. Okay, I'll see you when I get inside. Or walking up. Happy Sunday, guys. Oh, let me turn the brightness up. Hold on. Let me turn the brightness up. Happy Sunday. You already know the vibes. It's Sunday fun day. So we are trying a new restaurant today. We are at Rocksteady. It was on my list and I saw Naya go to it, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go because it looks so cute on the inside. So I parallel parked, so I'm just walking to the restaurant, but it is right there and we are about to brunch. We'll be seeing this vlog this week, coming week, so yeah. I gotta cross the street though. How do I not know restaurants? Just kidding. So we just got here, y'all. It's really nice on the inside. It's exactly what I thought. So we're gonna eat some food. I'm going to scan to see what I'm gonna eat. Did you look at the menu?
I looked at it online, but I didn't understand literally nothing that was on the menu, but
It says brunch menu.
it's like
So from my understanding, it's like Afro cuisine. Ooh.
brunch.
Curry goat Benedict. That sounds really good. No, I love a Benedict. So she got a sangria, y'all, and I got a mimosa, of course, because on Sunday we drink mimosas. Okay, y'all, so this is my food. I got the Benedict. Oh my god, this looks amazing. And then Terry got an omelet with some fruit, and then we have some wings coming. So, yay, thank you. So we are leaving Rocksteady. Y'all, I've been drinking. Where the money reside, where the money, and that's on Mary Had a what? That's on Mary Had a Little Lamb. Okay? Where the money reside, where the money reside. Okay, that's where I'm at, okay?